Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you an easy and fast trick to unlock the party animal achievement in Dream Party Heartopia. So recently, Heartopia introduced a new party gameplay mode featuring hide and seek and then parkour party. And along with this update, a brand new achievement that called Party Animal was added like this. And to unlock it, you need to increase your Dream Party level until you reach level 3. This Dream Party at the Dreams menu and then just search for the party player like this. You can see it. You need to reach level 3, which is the party animal rank like this. And the fastest way to do this is by using a simple parkour party trick. First, just join a parkour party that created by another players, and just look for a parkour course with an easy layout like this one, where there are almost no difficult obstacles or challenging jumps like this. Just easy parkour. And once you find an easy course, just keep completing the parkour over and over again. And since the route is simple, you can finish runs very quickly and earn party points much faster than normal like this. Just repeating the course and then just farming points from it. And your dream party level will steadily increase like this. And after reaching the dream party level 3, you will unlock the party animal rank and receive the party animal achievement badge like this. And okay, that's the easiest and fastest method to get this achievement in Heartopia. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!